How can attorneys reach potential customers online? How can attorneys differentiate their law firm from their competitors? If Google says the vast majority of people don't get past the first page of search results, how do you compete with dozens of competitors? How can you ensure your marketing efforts reach the public? Have you ever heard the phrase, "Content is king"? Attorneys.media creates an extraordinary amount of video content from just a 1-hour interview. In fact, we are so confident that content will get your voice and message out to the public that we will interview you for 1 hour about your field of law, edit those answers into 30 to 40 videos, put those videos up on our sites, together with a teaser video for each answer on a dozen social media sites, all for zero cost. Only after 30 days, when you say you want to continue seeing those videos online, will we arrange the monthly subscription, which in fact is only about the same amount as 2 restaurant dinners for a couple. That's it. Attorneys.media will be the site for the public to get answers to their frequent questions about the legal system. Don't be left out. Contact us today for your interview.